Another goodie. VRVS. What did I order? Let's see, it does say fragile. Alright, so I ordered a new rear interior trim. So the difference is quite big when you look at the original. Okay, so that's the one that's got material on it. I do like the material one, but they also got the plastic one. There's no damage. Plastic lugs, the Christmas trees, all good. So yeah, what's that? Anyway, it looks like someone's made it, which I think is pretty good. If someone's made it, yeah, wonder if they have. But they've just used Christmas trees, wrapped it up, made the same shape. I'm original. This is definitely a reproduction original. So again, I've got this eBay old name in there. Oh, it's from Bacchus Marsh Auto Wreckers and Vic. So thanks to them. Good price too. Very happy with my purchase. I thought, well, I better buy one while I can. But looking at this, I think someone's made this. Someone's made it, and it's quite good actually. You could probably reinsert the Christmas trees. Done a really good job. Just no tabs at the end, of course, but either way, I think that's pretty good. Might redo it actually. And still, I'll keep the original. I'll keep both, of course. I keep saying that. I'll keep both. Yeah, definitely buy yourself a new one while you can. They'll probably keep reproducing them for a while, and then one day, no more. But again, I'm pretty sure VRVS are the same as VP. I'm yet to get another vehicle. Yeah, Res Bears, not today, but pretty good parts either way. Thanks. Subscribe, like, comment.